Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, today I'm showing you coffee facial which is very trending nowadays and it is really very beneficial for your skin. Coffee really has the properties of giving you a very youthful skin and a glowing skin, and I will show you how to do coffee facial at home. So let's get started with the video. First you have to cleanse your face with the coffee. I'll show you how to make it. First step is cleansing, so I will show you how to do it. Okay guys, today we are making this coffee facial. You can take any coffee. I am taking this Nescafe coffee. So you have to take this coffee, and first you have to cleanse your face with coffee and milk, and if you have oily skin then you can take coffee and aloe vera gel. I am taking coffee and milk to cleanse my face. So you have to take the coffee. I've taken this coffee. Now I'll add milk to this. I'm adding milk to this. This is for normal skin and dry skin. Oily skin people can use aloe vera gel. You can mix aloe vera gel with this. You can mix this aloe vera gel with this. And for dry skin people you have to mix coffee and milk. So I'm using this and we'll mix this for cleansing of face. First step is to cleanse your face and we'll mix it properly. Now we'll cleanse our face with this, and I'll show you how to cleanse your face with this. And now I'll show it on my face. How you have to cleanse your face with this mixture. So we have made this mixture. Okay, I'm showing you now how to cleanse your face with this. You have to take the mixture and cleanse your face. This will really help to remove all the dirt from your face, and it will really give you a very youthful and a glowing skin. Coffee is very beneficial for your skin. So you have to cleanse your face properly with this. You have to properly massage it and cleanse it properly. Wherever you think you have dark spots or something, you can just cleanse it over there. Massage it properly into your skin. You have to properly massage this cleanser around your eyes, and now you have to wash it. Okay guys, I have washed my face and you can see it has really cleansed my face. So for cleansing we have taken coffee and milk, and for oily skin people you can take coffee and aloe vera gel and mix it and just cleanse your face and massage it properly. Okay guys, the second step is steaming. Steaming is also very important, and after cleansing you can go for steaming. Steaming really helps to open your pores, and it will really help to remove all the dirt from your skin. So we have second step we are doing is steaming. Okay guys, after the steaming process is done, the third step which I have shown you is scrubbing. So yeah, I'm taking this coffee for the scrubbing. I'm adding the sugar. And now I'm adding coconut oil in this. You can add olive oil also, whatever is available with you. And we will scrub our lips with this. And we'll scrub our face and lips with this. It's a very good scrubber. I'll just show you how to use it. So we have made the scrub, coffee and sugar and coconut oil. Now I'll apply it on my face. The scrub will really help you. You have to use it with very light hands, and it will really help people who have open pores, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. This scrub will really help them. So you have to properly scrub your skin. On your lips also you can do it. have to do it with very light hands. So now I'll wash my face after scrubbing. Okay guys, after scrubbing I have washed my face and you can already see the results. Scrubbing will really help people who have open pores, hyperpigmentation, who have dots over here. It will really help you, and coffee really helps for your skin to get glowy. So the next step we are doing is we are making a face mask. So now I'll show you how to make a face mask out of coffee. Okay guys, now I'm making the face pack of coffee. This is the third step, is to make the face pack. So this is a face pack we are making. I'm taking coffee. You have to add wheat flour in this. I'm taking wheat flour. I'm adding 1 spoon of wheat flour. Now we have to add curd in this. And I'm adding rose water to it. If you don't have rose water, you can add honey also. Now you have to mix it well. You can add a little bit more rose water if you want a little consistency. You can see our face pack is ready. Now I'll show you how to apply this and what are the benefits of this. So guys, now we have made the face mask. I have shown you how to make it. This is the face mask we have made. Now I'll apply it on my face. This will really give you benefit, and it's a very good face mask. So guys, now I'm applying this face mask. This will really help to give you very shiny and glowy effect on your skin, and it will really help to give you a very dewy effect. So I'm applying this face mask. So guys, I have applied my face mask. We'll keep it for 15 minutes and then I'll wash my face. So I have to keep it for 15 minutes. So guys, I've kept my face mask for 15 minutes, and after drying it looks something like that. You can see it is almost dried. So now I'll wash my face and I'll show you the effects of this. So guys, I have washed my face after applying the face mask, and you can see my face has already started glowing, and it's a very good face mask. You can see the results is already glowing. I really suggest you to try this facial, and it's a very good facial. You have to do this facial only twice a month, not more than that. This facial will make your face glowy, tan free, and it will give you a very nice effect and a glowy effect, and it doesn't have any side effect. All skin types can use it, and it's a very good facial. You should give it a try and you will really tell me that I have shown you something good. Okay guys, bye, take care. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Like my videos and share my videos. Bye guys.